Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Macs. First, let's get your new device up and running smoothly. Begin by powering it on and following the simple setup guide. Take a few moments to customize your display, sound, and privacy settings to create a personalized experience. Don't forget to connect any necessary accessories like your favorite mouse or a larger external monitor for enhanced productivity. This initial setup ensures your Mac is tailored just for you from day one. To truly maximize your Mac's potential, focus on performance. Regularly update your operating system and all installed applications. This often brings significant speed improvements and security patches. Be mindful of background processes. Close unnecessary apps to free up valuable memory and processing power. Your Mac includes powerful tools to monitor CPU, memory, and disk usage, helping you pinpoint and resolve any performance slowdowns efficiently. Aim for a smooth, responsive experience every time you use it. Your Mac is packed with features designed to boost your productivity. Dive into its multitasking capabilities, allowing you to run multiple applications side by side with ease. Learning just a few key keyboard shortcuts can dramatically speed up your daily tasks, saving you precious minutes. Furthermore, integrate cloud services to ensure your files are always accessible and synchronized across all your devices, making collaboration effortless. Discover these powerful tools to transform how you work and create. Keeping your Macs in top condition requires a bit of routine maintenance and vigilance. Always back up your critical data to an external drive or cloud service. This is your best defense against data loss. Install and maintain robust antivirus software to shield your device from malicious attacks and ensure your digital safety. Finally, periodically clean up your disk to remove unnecessary temporary files, which helps maintain optimal storage and overall system responsiveness. A well-maintained Mac is a happy and efficient Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.